Hi, welcome to a new lecture, which is very important lecture for a sustainability engineer who is fresh or experienced. So we are going to start our lecture from the first slide, that how to introduce yourself. Here we have, for example, interviewer asks you, introduce yourself. There are two ways. One is your answer should be detailed one, and other I'll explain in later that other we have short answer. So first we have two slides for the detailed answer. For example, first you will introduce yourself, then academic, and then lead credits, and then your skills, practical knowledge, and your other things. So now we are starting that, for example, I'm interviewer or you are interviewer, you ask me, introduce yourself. So this will be my answer. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Imtiaz Ali. I'm a sustainability engineer with a bachelor's degree in environmental engineering and a LEED Accredited Professional, which is also called LEED AP. My academic background has given me a strong foundation in sustainability principles, environmental impact assessment, energy efficiency, water management, and regulatory compliance. During my studies, I worked on projects related to carbon footprints, water and air quality monitoring, and environmental management system. If I talk about my certification in sustainability, to strengthen my practical knowledge, I completed the LEED AP certification where I developed a clear understanding of green building strategies such as energy optimization, water efficiency, sustainable site planning, indoor environmental quality, and material selection. Although I'm at the beginning of my professional career, I'm highly motivated with knowledge on sustainability standards, data analysis, and reporting. Practical knowledge, I'm eager to apply my technical knowledge, lead experience, and strong work ethics in a practical environment and continuously improve my skills under experienced professional. I'm particularly interested in applying these concepts to real construction and infrastructure projects. So thanks. This is my introduction. Please, you may ask any other question. Okay, now here we have a summarized question. If you want to answer in a summarized way, your interview asks, okay, introduce yourself, then your summarized answer will be like that. I am a sustainability engineer with a bachelor's degree in environmental engineering and a LEED AP certification. I have a strong foundation in sustainability concepts such as energy efficiency, water conservation, and environmental compliance. Although I am a fresher, I am highly motivated, quick to learn, and eager to apply my academic lead knowledge on real projects while growing under experienced professionals. Thank you. Okay, for example, if interviewer interrupts you and asks, you have no experience, then why should we hire you? Your answer will be simply, while I'm not having industry experience yet, but I bring strong technical knowledge, up-to-date sustainability standards, and lead-based best practices. I'm highly motivated to learn on site, follow regulation strictly, and support senior engineers with data analysis, documentation, compliance, tracking, and reporting. I believe my learning mindset and strong foundation allow me to add value quickly. So this should be your short answer. No, sorry. This should be your means defending answer when interviewer interrupts you, or he tries to interrupt you, and he should check your confidence or defendants. After that, we have most of the students who are making common mistakes. So, what mistakes we should avoid during the interview? By saying, I have no experience and stop by saying I have no experience and stopping there. Talking only about degree, not skills. Sounding unsure or apologetic. And or claiming experience you don't have. Your tone should be ideal, like it should be neutral or natural accent. Because interviewer, they don't check your English or something tone or accent, but they check their capabilities, your technicalities, and your skills. So your tone should be natural or neutral, confident but not aggressive, respectable. Your tone should be respectable and polite. Try to avoid slang, jokes, or local expression. Good tone example is sure, I'll explain that step by step. And avoid, obviously, this is simple, or as you already know. So try to avoid these sentence or expressions. Your ideal speaking speed, that your means your words limit. What should be your words limit? Slightly slower than normal conversation. Not slow like a lecture, not fast like a casual talk. And you have to pause between ideas. Best rule is one idea per sentence, small pause, then next idea. If your, for example, if your normal speed is 100%, then your interview speed should be between 70 and 75%. This is like a golden rule for the ideal speaking speed. Then, when interviewer asks, uh, or when interviewer is non-technical or non-native person, so how you have to behave? Because interviewer, he must be an Arab person, he must be he can be Chinese, he can be so you will definitely you will know that okay, either he is native or non-technical person, because mostly you are interviewed by some person like HR person who is not technical from your field or area. So for non-native, speak slow and clear, use simple words, short sentence. Example, LEED is a green building rating system. It helps reduce energy, water, and emissions. For example, I worked with energy efficiency requirements under LEED. So your tone and your style of speaking should be slow and clear. The interviewer, he could be or he can be non-native or non-technical person. So your language should be clear one. Thank you so much for listening and watching. So we will meet with another part of the, like we will meet with the second question of the interview. Hope you will like and understood. Thanks for your watching. Please, if you have any query, just let me know by your comments in comments box. Thank you so much. Thank you.